Hi guys, let us discuss about one of the important tests from your chapter number 2, grade 10, that is acid, bases and salts. Here we have the test name POP test. Are you ready to watch this wonderful experiment, my dear student? Do you think what can happen in this reaction or any gases can form? What happens when metal react with an acid? That I want to show by this reaction. Hope you can able to see the hydrogen gases are here and it is enter into the soap solution. So what happened? Some bubbles get generated, right? That bubble contain which gas? That's my question.